Hello friends, welcome to Target.js, and in this video we are going to see Whistleblowers Protection Act. So what is the main issue now? See, recently 15 whistleblowers have been murdered in India in the past 3 years, in just 3 years, and Parliament may have passed the Whistleblower Protection Act 2014, but this did not help them save even after passing this act. So the question is, who are the whistleblowers? See, a whistleblower is a person who raises his voice against any illegal act done by another person. Alright, and he can be a person working within an organization, that is a present or past employer. And here we should also know that there are two types of whistleblowing. One is internal whistleblowing, that is a person reports misconduct to another person within the organization. And the second one is external whistleblowing, that is a person reports misconduct to a person outside the organization, such as law enforcement or to the media. So first let us see the Whistleblower Protection Act of 2014. See, here the act aims to protect people who provide information about corruption or misuse of power by the public servant. But the fact is that in the last few years, more than 60 people have been killed for exposing corruption in the government on the basis of information they obtained under the RTI Act. And this law has a provision to hide identity of the whistleblower, and the law empowers the competent authorities to provide them protection, which includes police protection. But still many were killed. So the things are not going well, and an amendment to the act was needed. Therefore, Whistleblower Protection Amendment Act 2014-15 came into picture. So what it says is that the act mentioned that whistleblowers should not be allowed to reveal any documents classified under the Official Secrets Act. Okay, this one is really important from Prelims point of view. Even if the purpose is to disclose any acts of corruption, misuse of power or criminal activities. And further, it also puts a bar on the disclosure of any information that could affect the interest of sovereignty and integrity of the nation, friendly relations with the foreign state. And offences under the Official Secrets Act are punishable by imprisonment up to 14 years. And threat of such stringent penalties would deter even the genuine whistleblowers. Therefore, the bill puts a limit on the activity of whistleblowing in such a way that only some information obtained through RTI has been kept in its ambit. And the bill says that the whistleblowers would be entitled to official protection only if these conditions are met. Alright, and they could face action if they are not. And in addition, certain categories of information cannot form part of disclosure made by whistleblowers unless the information has been obtained under the RTI Act. Okay, these two are really important. So this you have to remember from Prelims point of view. So what is the issue now? See, these kind of questions you can expect in your interview. See, the amendments ignore the fact that the two laws are different, that is RTI and Whistleblower Protection Act. See, RTI Act seeks to provide information to the people, while Whistleblower Protection Act provides protection to the whistleblowers. And the basic purpose of Whistleblower Protection Act is to encourage people to report wrongdoing. And if whistleblowers are prosecuted for disclosing information as part of their complaints and not granted immunity from the OSA, Official Secrets Acts, the very purpose of the law would be defeated. Alright, so these 2 points are really important if you get a question, and you can expect these kind of questions in your interview. So the concluding line is that the Whistleblower Amendment Bill of 2015 in many ways dilutes the 2014 law. And it is very important for the government to immediately offer protection to those who are exposing the wrongdoing. So that's all about the Whistleblower Protection Act. Do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.